മണ്ണെണ്ണകളൊക്കെ വെച്ച് കത്തിച്ചിട്ട് കുട്ടികൾക്ക് പഠിക്കാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരുന്നു, വെള്ളം എടുക്കാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരുന്നു.
हर काम सेव करना है। देखो सेंटर देख रहा है। गुड 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 वेरी गुड। आराम से आराम से। कर रहा हूँ।
സമയം മാറ്റം വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലാറ്റിനും നല്ല സൗകര്യങ്ങളായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല മാറ്റം വരല്ലേ. കറണ്ട് വന്നാൽ ഓക്കെ.
Internal generation of Kerala is only 1,600 megawatt, whereas the total demand is around 4,000 megawatt. The balance we are bringing from outside.
Kerala, these have been old transmission corridors, and where the power transfer capacity was not there, highly populated, highly inhabited, required much more megawatt.
The corridor capacity available from outside to Kerala is only 2,400 megawatt now. We need to increase that 2,400 megawatt capacity to at least 4,400 megawatt additional capacity.
So one option was to build a new line vis-a-vis a Transgrid project 2.0 that Kerala state took in order to augment this capacity.
In Transgrid project, we are planning to construct around 24 substations of 220 kV, 5 substations of 400 kV, and around 4,500 circuit kilometers of lines within the state of Kerala. This project, what we are doing now with Sterlite, is they are increasing the power transmission capacity of the existing corridor, which was actually 250 megawatt, to now we are increasing to 2,500 megawatt capacity.
The main challenge KCB is facing is adoption of new technologies in the construction of transmission lines.
We need to have some innovative mechanism to bring in the high power capacity or increase the capacity of the transmission lines, or to bring in the new transmission lines.
In the whole network, there were these congestion points where without putting a new line, they could not transmit this power. That is where we collaborated with them and said, this has to be solved using a technological solution, which is one, operate on certain lines and upgrade on other lines.
Sterlite has been able to bring in new technologies such as using a drone for stringing of conductors, using of TSC machines, dynamometers and other modern technologies.
We gave a lot of solutions around high performance conductors, OPGW, different types of towers, MCMV towers.
Sterlite also has been able to resolve a lot of right-of-way issues, and their ability to converse with the local people, bring in vehicles, movement of vehicles and other things have been quite easy.
The concept was to bring new lines only, or construct the new lines only. The concept has been changed recently, that it is possible to increase the capacity of the existing corridors by bringing innovative technology.
On the same corridor, you could increase the power transfer capacity by more than 15 times.
Especially when you are using HTLS lines, where you are having high temperature low sag conductors, wherein you can reduce the sag of the conductor. So there are innovations we have done on the towers and the conductors also.
Wherever there will be problems of time, space and capital, I think this is the solution which is going to fly.
Sterlite being the pioneer in the HTLS conductor, they are looking always for the advanced technology implementation. So they are going to be very good EPC contractor in this sector, more than a manufacturer. Actually, they are the manufacturer of the OPGW and HTLS conductor, all this.
We are India's largest private transmission company, and we have already done projects well ahead of time, and that enabled us to design the solution and convince the customer that Sterlite has the capability, and we are more than willing to partner with the state. Kerala is a wonderful state. People have been very nice, cooperative. KSCB officials have been fantastic. So all that support has always been there, which has enabled this project to succeed.
We work as a team. We go together to meet the people out on the field, so that any issues that come up are resolved.
When we are stuck with problems on the civil foundations or any technical issues on the electrical side, I think our team, the Sterlite team as well as KSEB team are very quick to collaborate and find a solution. This is so critical for timely completion of any project, especially any infrastructure and big project.
KSEB is actually owned by the people of Kerala, and it is working with this aspect of service to the public.
നമ്മളുടെ കാലത്തിനേക്കാളും നല്ല മാറ്റം വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയല്ലേ ഇപ്പോൾ. സമയം മാറ്റം വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ കറണ്ട് എല്ലാം വന്നു, ഇനി വന്നാൽ തീരെ ഉണ്ടാവില്ല എന്നല്ല പറയണം. അപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല മാറ്റം വരെയല്ലേ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ കുട്ടികൾക്കൊക്കെ നല്ല ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, പഠിക്കാനും എല്ലാറ്റിനും നല്ല സൗകര്യങ്ങളായിരിക്കും.
First time in India, one utility is actually tendering a project for design of a transmission line using the new conventions.
This is an innovative project and this has been accepted and recognized by the Central Electricity Authority also.
Once these lines get operational, then you are looking at 24/7 quality power, which is our country's dream on power delivery to the people.